Okay, but why do car guys sound like they're summoning an ancient demon every time they talk about their cars? Like, why did I hear a car guy at a car meet whisper B58, divine gift from BMW, like it was a prophecy? You see, normal people speak in, how do I put this, human words? Meanwhile, car guys operate exclusively in torque numbers, gear ratios, and engine codes. It's a different dialect, a sacred tongue, if you will.
Because it is a prophecy. But let's test this out. Normal person. Hey, nice car. What is it? Car guy? Oh, you know, just a simple B58, inline 6, twin scroll turbo with direct injection, variable valve timing, and...
Stop. What did any of that mean? I just wanted to know what car it was, not get a whole science lesson.
And that's exactly why normal people avoid car guys at parties. It's a self-preservation instinct.
Bro, my ex-girlfriend bought a car in 20 minutes. Walked in, saw it, signed papers, drove off. Just like that. Meanwhile, I know a guy who took 3 months just to decide on what color his brake calipers should be.
Aly, allow me. You see, car guys don't just buy a car. We go on a journey. First, we check 47 listings. Then, we spend a month researching depreciation trends, common failures, and reliability scores. We track the VIN, find previous owners, cross-reference service history, and email 19 dealerships at 3 a.m. with hyper-specific questions. Then, after narrowing it down to the perfect choice, we start looking at a completely different car and repeat the process from scratch.
So, you guys choose to suffer?
Absolutely.
Facts. Like, my ex-girlfriend would get jealous of a car. You never take me out like you take your car out. And I'm like, the car doesn't complain about where I go.
Ah, yes. The classic, you love your car more than me debate. Let's break this down. Normal boyfriend. Good morning, babe. Car guy boyfriend. Good morning, baby.
Exactly. Meanwhile, car guys spend more money on mods than on anniversary gifts, and they don't even feel bad.
Priorities, my friend. Priorities.
Okay, if this ad plays, it means I'm one step closer to being rich. Let's roll it. Never mind. We're still broke. Carry on. Hey man, if it still moves, it's still fine.
This is why I lose sleep. Car guys, on the other hand, have a spreadsheet for oil changes, tire rotations, and even how much fuel efficiency drops per season. Some of us even send oil sample to a lab.
You mean to tell me people are out here doing blood tests under oil?
Absolutely. Meanwhile, normal people out here running the same windshield wipers for 5 years, wondering why they can't see in the rain. The moment a car guy says, I'll just do one more mod, it's over. It's never just one mod, ever.
Okay, but why? Like, what happens? You install a spoiler and suddenly need a new exhaust, new wheels, and a full engine rebuild?
Yes. The car asks for it.
Wait. What do you mean it asks for it? Y'all hearing voices now?
You ever think that somewhere in a parallel universe, we kicked them out? And that version of us is thriving, rich, happy, stress-free. Sometimes I wonder what it's like over there.
Cool theory. But I guarantee you, in that universe, I'm still there. Probably running a podcast. Probably still knowing you. Some things are just inevitable.
And that, my friends, is the difference between car guys and normal people. One group just drives a car. The other lives it, breathes it, suffers for it.
So, when do car guys actually stop messing with their cars?
Never.
Y'all need help.
What do you guys think? Do car guys take things too far? Or are we just built different? Let me know in the comments. And as always, I'm here, I see you, and I'm trying to.
They don't want you to hit the bell. You know who they are. Prove them wrong.